So ich vor mir. Okay, so I have a GoPro 13 Black, and this is the first time I'm actually testing it outdoors. It is 15 Fahrenheit, it's afternoon, and I actually just want to check the microphone quality, the image quality, and how the image stabilization works. The settings are 4K in HDR, and I thought a short dog walk would do the trick. Just got it 2 days ago, but today is the first time I'm actually using it. And if you buy a GoPro, at least I guess the new ones, you have to update the firmware before you can even use it. So you have to download the cell phone app, and then on your smartphone, either Android or Apple, you have to start the update of the firmware. I think that's a bit inconvenient, to be honest, that you are forced to run an update before you can even use your device. And as I said, there is a app for your smartphone. God bless, you don't have to use it when you just want to do filming. And this one came with 3 batteries, which is pretty good. A dual charger, full batteries, and it also came with a 64 gigabyte SD card. And currently I'm just holding it in my hand, so I do not have like a holder, something like this, which I think I would recommend if you use it more often. But as I said, this is just a test, and I just want to compare the video quality to as if I would film it with my iPhone 15 Pro. I did a test today already, and so the microphone quality on the GoPro, I'd say, is not the same level like on the iPhone 15 Pro. The iPhone has a way better built-in microphone. Also, what I tested today, this morning at home, the low light quality is not as good as with an iPhone, to be honest. It's a bit of a bummer, since this is an outdoor camera, waterproof, dustproof, so people of course would also use that, let's say, in low light conditions, and it's not really good in low light. To be fair, I did the low light video test in the 4.3K resolution, so I guess if you are in low light conditions, you wanna film just in HD resolution, not even 4K, and maybe just 30 frames per second, so this gives just more light to the sensor. And as I said, this is just the first test, and I'm gonna update more videos on my channel when I really could test the GoPro 13 Black more in detail, and the weather gets better. I actually wanna submerge it in a local river, because apparently you can submerge this thing 33 feet or 10 meters, and I want to test that out after inspecting the camera housing. I am pretty certain that this should be not a problem to submerge it, at least like let's say 15 feet or so. And what else can I say? So as I said, mine came with I think it's called a power pack, so it came with 3 batteries, and that's pretty good. And this thing draws battery pretty quick, so if you want to film longer than maybe half an hour, you might, or an hour, you might need the extended battery pack. Mine came with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, and I guess if you film in 4K or even 5.3K, you might want to upgrade this, or at least get another one. I have a 256 gigabyte SD card at home, and I'm gonna try this one next time I'm filming, because I do not know if the other one I have is fast enough or not. But the 64 gigabyte SD card, which comes with this set, I'd say is really more on the lower end of the capacity you would need, so I'd rather would get a bigger one.